are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are or when you are taking this tutorial. This is strictly for it's a bonus training, a free tutorial for just holiday season. I would try as much as possible to make it very short and very straightforward. All right, thank you again for joining. Thank you very much. So in this holiday session, we'll be looking at how to create or design flyers, posters, logos, just using your smartphone. So long you have a data and an Android phone, any type of Android phone or your iPhone is fine. We're also going to learn how to create AI, use AI to create 3D logos and flyers. Then we'll look at how to create short viral videos for TikTok and Facebook. Then how to edit videos and add effects to your videos as a person. Your own personal video, church, organization, anywhere at all. How to create a website with your smartphone. Yeah, but that last one is actually going to be a bonus for those that will meet up with some task that will come with this class. So let's go. Everyone in this group will be, of course, be part of the training and so on. Before now, I've already sent a link. This is the link. If you're on the group, you should check it out. This particular link. Check it out. The part 1 and the part 2. It would have given you an introduction to one of the apps we want to use. And this is the app. This one here. It's called Canva. Alright. So please, if you have not listened to that class, if you have not watched the video, please go and do that. It will help you, it will guide you in some of the things we are going to be doing. All right. Okay. So very quickly, let's go straight to Canva. And we're going to use templates, just templates to do simple designs. Templates to do simple designs like birthday flyers, posters, for anything depending on what you want to do. So before you start any design, one thing that is very important is that you need to find out or know what you want to design. If it's for a business, know the name of the business and everything that you want to do. So quickly, let us go. So I already have Canva installed in my phone. So but if your own is not installed, go to Google Play Store. And of course search for Canva. Once you select, then this particular one, this one, if you check this one, my own is already installed. I need to update, okay, but I'm not ready for that. I can just click on update to update. So this one is very good. So that's what we want to quickly use right now. So let's go to my Canva and open it up. So this is it. So if you are downloading it for the first time, after downloading, it will require you to do a registration. But they'll just require your email. So if you check home now, it will require your email. So there are a lot of things you can do with Canva. I just want to do a quick rundown in 1 minute. A lot of things, You can use it to create documents, whiteboard work. You can use it to create video. You can use it to create a website, but that's not why we are here. You can use it to do a presentation like a slide for seminars and all of that. For those of you that are students going to school, you will need it. You can use it to create a Excel sheet. You can use it to do coding, and so many other things you can do with it. But for now, we are centered on just a short design, like for birthdays. You just have somebody you want to quickly do a very quick birthday design for. This will help your work look different from the normal and general AI that everybody is doing. So that's why I want to introduce you to it in a very simple way. Okay. So if you have watched the other video on Canva, these things may not be new, but even if they are, just follow. You will definitely get it well. So look at this place written search, this up here, this place. So the place that is there, I will just search. Since it's a birthday design I want to do, and I want to use my own picture. You will use your own picture when it's time to do assignment. I'll just search for birthday. All right, happy birthday or birthday design. It all depends. So you see a lot of samples. If you look at, I see many samples. Oh, sorry. You see different samples of your choice. So you know, if you are designing for a female, you choose a template that may work better for a female. If you are designing for a male, you choose a template that will work better for a male. But I'm using my picture, that's male, so I'll just choose anyone I like. There are very many. You can search birthday for children, birthday for women, birthday for men, your choice. You understand? So I'll just pick one that I like. I like this one, so let's quickly look at it. Alright, so you give it time to load. Whatever you are doing, you must be connected to the internet, a good internet. So look at this birthday now. You see, there's happy birthday written on top. Daniel Morton, 12th of June, and all of that. So this picture is my first focus. I want to change it. So what I will do is that I will click on it. You will see here, this down here is written replace, select, adjust. There are a lot of other things when you slide. Like I said, watch that first 2 tutorial I sent, part 1 and 2. You will know the function of all these things and the tools that are here. They are all important. So you click on replace. So go into my gallery. This is my gallery, but I'll just pick a picture. I've already arranged the picture down, so the picture will come up here now. Close this thing. You see the picture? Alright. So I'll drag it up and fit it into where I want it to be. Alright. Something like this. Or I can even make it bigger. Yeah. Okay, so let me just leave it like this. But you discover that the picture is covering the write-offs that are there. So what do you do? Like I said, you need to check that tutorial to understand. Look at this place called layers. Click on it. Layers entails all the things that are used for the design. Look at them. The background, those circle write-ups, happy birthday. So what do? This one, I will take it down. The more I take it down, the more those other write-ups will come up. So sorry about that. Let me quickly do that again. So now look at those write-ups. They are up now. Okay. As you can see, they are up. So I can choose to blend the background of this picture with what I have the up here, which is this purple, or I will change the one on top, which is the purple, to something that is similar to my picture background. I am the one that will decide what I want, or I can just change the background totally. My choice. Alright, so very simple. So now that I have it like this, I will change the name. You click on it. If you click on it the first time, it will highlight. When you click on it the second time, it will give you room to edit. So I'll just use the name I want to use. I'll just use Chooks. Okay, I'll just use Chooks. Then you come to the date. I will use 8th of August. I'll click on the June. I'll write August. I can just abbreviate. Alright. After you're done, you see this place marked good. You click on it. So now I have my name. I have happy birthday. This is a very simple design, short and simple. But you may choose not to leave it like this. You can click on all these things that are circle, increase them if you want to, or reduce them, or move it. This is where you move. This cross is what you can use to move this. You understand? So if you don't like the position, move it. That is one way to check your work, check whatever you are doing, and be sure that you can make a difference in your work. So I can choose to delete this. I want to delete it. Like this one now, I will delete. It's gone. But the name is still there. So I'll bring the name down. Go to font size. Like this. I will increase it. I want it very big. Okay. So I'll keep increasing. keep increasing to something really big, because I want it to be big. So the name is now bigger. I'll just increase, position it separately. Okay, so this may not be, I can still increase it by using the knobs by the side. So I can have something like this. I can just, or anywhere you want to position it, so long it gives you the kind of look that you want. All right, so I'll go to my font color. You see color here written here, so you quickly click on any color you want, color of your choice, any color of your choice. You can select, several colors, all right, to match up with whatever you want to design, but designs shouldn't be more than at least 2 to 3 colors of similar effects. If the colors are too many, it doesn't make sense, it will not be too good. So I've added name. This name that I added here now, I can choose to add some other designs to the name, like formatting the name, making it look better, or making it look bold, making it look different from the normal write-up that just came with it. So those are the things you can do. You can change font here. As you click on font, you see different fonts, different ones. So you select any one you want, your choice. But I don't want to change font, so let's leave that. I'm only doing all of this to just show you that there's a lot you can do, a lot that you can do. So you can click on effect. You see different effects of how that name can appear. If you click on this one, it will have a background. You understand? You can click on it and do a lot of adjustment on that background. Maybe choose a different color for the background. Your choice. You just make different choices that you want. You can click on this thing, change the color of the write-up because of the background has changed. Maybe put something like this, or just put white. It's fine. So you bring it here, and of course you leave it like this if that's okay by you. But if not, you can change this color, adjust anything you want. It's your choice. This background can be removed. I can remove it. I can say, okay, I need a dark orange background. I can go to somewhere like Google, as you can see now, and just look for dark orange background HD. It will give me different shades. I can choose to download this one. This is not the only way to get images, so there are other ways you can use to get your image. So I can come here and click on replace very quickly, right, and go to maybe my download and see if the picture has downloaded. If it hasn't, I'll go back and check. Okay, download again. Let me go and check first of all if the image is there. So this is the image. You can see it's already there. So I'll go back to my Canva and of course click on image, pick up that image to replace the background. Look at it, the background has changed. All right, so the background has changed, and I can make the background a little bit lighter just to suit what I want to do by putting transparency. You get, so it can match a little bit with the background of the picture. And again, you can remove the background of the picture. Okay, you can remove the background of the picture. So I can leave my design like this. Okay, or something like this, happy birthday now, or happy itself. I can change it, change the font, go to where font is, click on font and select something maybe different or finer. These are list of fonts you can look at now, very stylish ones like this one. Okay, you understand, you can choose something like this and it's okay, your choice. So I don't want to make the tutorial too long, so I'm going to be cutting it latest 20 minutes so that we can practice this one and move on. But if you don't like the background of your picture, you can also go to your Google and type remove BG. So this place that is written remove background, just click on it. All right, so what you just need to do, this place now that is written remove BG, just click on upload image. Upload the image you used. Just upload that image. Once you upload the image, like this is the image I use, I'll just upload it. It will help me to remove the background. Just click on done. So I will just wait for it. It will remove the background of that my image for me as quick as possible. I will save it and still take it back to that same design and it will look different. What I'm just trying to do is to use one tutorial to teach you a lot of things. You see download here, just click on download. Do you understand? All right, so just click on download. So once you click on download, some of them are paid for, but we don't really need the paid version. So check your download. The image is already there. Are you seeing it? This one is already there. So I'm going back to Canva to remove this image that has background. If you look at it, it has background, even though the background is under, even though the picture is under. So I want to remove this one that has background. I'll just click on replace. This one does not have background. It will come now. Look at it. It doesn't have background. Are you seeing it? So it will give you the same feeling and fitting that you want on your design. So I'll just leave it here now, and that's it. That's it. Like I said, you can create a lot of things from here. So this is just a simple birthday flyer. And how do you save? Very simple. Either you click on this arrow here facing down to download, or you click on the one facing up. When you click on the one facing up, you see download. Click on download to give you some characters. PNG. Most times in this type of design, you can use PNG or you can use JPEG, your choice. Okay, it's saying low quality, medium or high. Just leave it at medium, because when you go beyond high or limit size, sometimes you may have to go for a pro version of this app. So just download and watch it load. You see the way it's loading? Even as it's loading, you can go back and start doing other things. It doesn't matter. All right, so that is that about this. So when you go back to your gallery for that design, you will find it there. This is your design. This is your design. Like I said, something simple to just start with. All right, so what I'm going to do in the next tutorial is that I'm going to use only AI, or I will use this same design to create something different from an AI very, very soon. Then this image you are seeing is my picture. This is the picture. This is the picture. Are you seeing it? So I will show you how I converted it to this in the next video. Don't forget to invite more persons to this tutorial. Don't forget. So I'll quickly show you a few things you can also do again with your Canva. So we are done with this design. You can close it. When you close it now, you see here that is written your designs. This place is written your designs. They are the works you have done. So this design I've done just now, I will see it here. Look at it here. Happy birthday flyer. It will be showing there. So all these other things you are seeing is the things I've done before. So let's leave it there. So, but remember, this is where we went to do this one. Templates. Then you search. So if you want to do another one, if it's not birthday, let's say it's for a church program, just type church program and click search. Once you click search, you see it will show you different church designs, different ones. So in our next class, I will do one church design or any business design with the same template. Then we'll now take them to another AI platform to do some changes. By so, I believe you learn a lot. So, assignment, I want you to try your own. Do your own with maybe a normal picture. And I'll also give you, in the next class, I'll show you how I did this cartoon character. It does not take time with your AI. So I just say, let me show you a little design on Canva before we go forward. You can do your own, it'll be far better than this. Choose fine template, do your own work, and of course send it to us to see. All right, thank you. Do your own assignment and post it on the group. See ya next class.